Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You have $20,000 in credit. Act now. Start by confirming expiration and eligibility, then link billing and verify your account. Enable conversion tracking so every dollar is measurable. Choose a single high-intent offer and set a clear CPA or ROAS target to guide bidding. Once done, create a focused search campaign with 3-5 ad groups, each targeting specific keywords and intent. Make sure to input accurate landing pages and UTM tags so you can optimize based on real results. Now ramp into optimization. Use automated bidding, maximize conversions or target CPA while setting conservative caps to avoid overspend. Run structured /B tests, 3 headlines, 2 descriptions, and 2 landing variants per ad group to learn quickly. Monitor search terms and ad negatives daily so spend focuses on intent. Once you see winners, shift budget. Allocate roughly 70% to top performers and 30% to discovery or experiments. Make sure to track cost per conversion. Finish by scaling winners. Create single keyword ad groups, layer audiences, and raise geo-bids where ROI is strong. Pause or reduce spend on underperformers and reallocate to campaigns meeting CPA or ROAS goals. Once near credit depletion, pacing matters. Use campaign end dates and shared budgets to spend steadily. If things go wrong, first check conversion tracking and attribution windows. Mismatches are the most common issue. Then verify billing credits applied and inspect delivery pacing. Correct any setup errors and rerun the winning ads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.